Good morning, yo. Okay, I'm at one of my stores. I'm trying to see the preview, the candle preview. This is what this video is going to be about. Some of the new candles that's in the store, the new layout. What are you going to buy with that free gift coupon, the free gift up to $13.50? Put that in the comments. Also, welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one? Or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. Also, I want to give a big old shout out to all of the people that's watching everything that I post: vlogs, reviews, hauls, walkthroughs, sip and chat. And if you're following me on Instagram, you are my MVP, my MVP of the channel. And because of you, your girl keep posting. Like I said, y'all, I'm getting ready to go in here and just see the layout, see the feel of the store, so I know when candle day come what I should grab and where it's going to be sitting and things like that. Yes, it is a little early because I think they're not really going to set up the store until probably tonight, but I know it's going to be a long process, so I'm sure that they got started today. I know I need lipstick on, but whatever. I just came from Sam's, as y'all see. I didn't even eat the pizza yet because I'm trying to go in here, but I do have the pizza. I only eat cheese, y'all. Let me know in the comments, do you prefer Sam's pizza or Costco's pizza? If you have a membership at both locations like we do, which pizza do you prefer, Sam's or Costco's? Me personally, I like Costco's pizza a little bit better. Yes, it is all the same, but to me, the crust is way different. So yeah, leave that in the comments. Let me know about that. Let me know, do you have your candle list ready, your wish list ready? Leave that in the comment. Also, y'all, when I was at Sam's, they had these pants. They look like leggings almost. These are called the city, what are they called? The city pants. They had these on clearance for $7. And y'all know I haven't did a clearance video from Sam's in a couple of years now. I will link some of those videos at the top. But yeah, I got this and I got it in a size large. What I don't like about these pants is the fact that, what was they thinking? I don't get this. I don't get this. I don't get, why would they leave the bottom of the pants like that? That's probably the reason why they're not selling. But I think these will be really cute with boots. Or, you know, if you sewed, you could always finish the seam for the bottom. So yeah, I got those from Sam's. But let's get on in this store because for some reason this camera is not charged and it should be charged. I don't know if I need a new battery for my GoPro, but it ain't charged. So don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave your girl some comments, and let's head on into the store. Let's head into the store and see the whole layout. As y'all see, this location was fully stocked and it looked like they were still putting stuff out. I was super shocked to see the spring candles out already. I thought this collection would be out like after Candle Day, but they did put it out. And a lot of these candles is just repackages, but I think I'm gonna pass on a lot of these. I did see Paris Cafe. It should be coming up pretty soon in the footage, but I think I'm gonna grab one of those. But as far as any of these other ones, like the Market Peach, Tiki, that Tiki candle, this passion fruit, all of that stuff, it's a pass for me. I have a lot of these candles already, and it makes no sense to keep buying the same candle. But I will be grabbing one of the Paris Cafe candles. I was super shocked to see these spring candles. I really was. So yeah, I'm gonna go into this second store to see their whole layout and get an idea of where everything is. The first store, they were really well stocked up with candles. They had the plaid collection, they had the Giving Tuesday collection. They brought out more of the fall candles, even the early fall candles, the one with the little leaves on the thing. They fully stocked. So let's go in here and see what this store looks like, just so I can get an idea of where everything is. So yeah, let's head on in here. Know that it was two versions of this winter candle, one with the cream color wax and the other one with this blue wax. I was shocked to see that. Evidently I'm not in the loop about a lot of things, because I did not know there was two versions of that candle. I really didn't. Leave in the comments if you've seen this blue candle in your store. The car, this store, they ain't even ready, y'all. I can't believe it. They don't have anything out. And then when I asked her, I said, when y'all putting y'all stuff out? She was like, what? Huh? What do you mean? That digs under my skin. That digs under my skin. When they play dumb, like we don't know, like it's online that Candle Day is getting ready to come, you know. And so I was like, well, when are y'all putting y'all stuff out? And she was like, oh, what do you mean? I don't, you know, just playing real dumb. And I was like, well, I just came from a different store and they got everything out. Huh? What do you mean? So I showed her the pictures and she was like, oh, they got their stuff out. Everybody's playing like I don't know what I'm talking about. They all playing like Dumb and Dumber. That digs under my skin. I hate that. Just tell me that we're not putting it out yet. We're not gonna do the floor set until overnight. We will be prepared for Candle Day. Or I didn't even mention Candle Day. I said, when are y'all gonna get prepared for the event? She still was playing dumb. At least tell me, okay, well, we're going to be ready for the event. You don't have to say the word Candle Day, because I get it. You don't want people to know that Candle Day is coming. I understand that. I get that. But don't play me like I'm boo-boo the fool when I already know about Candle Day. If I'm asking you, that means I know about it. I hate that. I hate it. Bath and Body Works, please. I understand that everything's supposed to be on a hush hush. I get that, but please stop tell your employees to stop treating people as if we're dumb and we don't know what we're talking about. I understand that they're not supposed to say about different collections. I get that. But if a customer is coming in and they know about a product, just simply say, oh, ma'am, we're not allowed to put that out yet. Or, oh, ma'am, it doesn't come out for another month. Or, oh, we know the event will be set up tomorrow. We will be fully ready for the event tomorrow. say something like that. Don't just sit and everybody looking stupid as hell. I hate that. Oh my God, that drives me crazy to the point I just said, you know what? I said, don't worry about it. And she had like an embarrassed look on her face. I know I need a little lotion, y'all. She had like a little embarrassed look on her face, but I just hate that. Stop trying to play people like they stupid and they dumb and they don't know what they're talking about. I totally get the fact that y'all want to keep everything on the hush hush. I get it. I get it. I'm not in the store screaming loud to everybody, oh, these candles coming out, or candle day is tomorrow, don't buy no candle. I'm not doing that. Even when I went to the Black Friday sale, I didn't do that. I told one person, yes, inside of me, I was screaming, wanting to tell people not to shop. Yeah, I was, but I didn't do that. You know, because I get it. I understand y'all have to still make sales. I get that. But to play your customers as if they're stupid, I don't like it. I don't like it. And sometimes it be making me want to just flip out. Even though I don't do it, I just kind of walk away, you know, or I'll say something real stupid to make them feel stupid. That's the reason why I showed her the pictures, because she was like, oh, they got their floor. She told the lady, they already set their floor. They already got their candles out. And then the other lady was like, well, we don't do ours until the store closes. I'm not trying to buy nothing. I'm not going to buy. I'm not going to exchange. I'm going to wait until the event. But I do know that this store will be fully stocked. I do know that they will be fully ready, because this is a very high volume store. A lot of customers do come here and shop. It's a nice store. So yeah, I know they're going to be ready. So basically that's going to be my preview of Candle Day, the different stores. I kind of want to hit a couple of more stores, but I really don't have time because I have to go back to work. So that's all I'm gonna do for today, because in my area we only have like maybe 6 or 7 stores. We don't have many stores like Texas. Oh my God, Texas got so many stores. When I was down there for that 3 or 4 weeks, oh my gosh, I wanted to hit them all. I wanted to hit every store that I could, but I couldn't. But so that's just gonna be my little preview. I'm not sure which store I'm gonna go to for Candle Day. I'm only going to one store. I'm not gonna store hop because it makes no sense, especially if everybody got the same stuff. And that's the reason why I wanted to come here to see, because of the candles that I'm looking for. It don't look like they're gonna put those out on the first day. So my first day, I might not be buying a lot. I might not buy a lot because, like I said, they're not putting anything that I'm looking for out yet. Only a few. And then my next thing is with this early access. I know by the time I post this video, it might be past the early access point. I'm trying to debate if I should place a huge order online or just hold off and wait and get my stuff in the stores, because it's looking like the stores is going to have the same stuff that they have online. I don't know if tomorrow, Candle Day, the new stuff will pop up online or in the stores. I'm not sure. I don't know, y'all, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see how all this stuff pan out. Make sure you have your list ready. Make sure you have your tools that you need for Candle Day ready. Today is the day to get ready. Today is the day to get ready. Get your people together, get your money together, get your travel cart together. Yo, make sure you have all the candles that you want to get. Today is the day to get ready, y'all, because bright and early tomorrow, we on game day. So leave in the comments, let me know, are you prepared? Let me know also about that pizza. Which one do y'all prefer, Sam's or Costco? Yeah, and thumbs up, leave me a comment, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, and I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get a couple of videos out. I don't know how many, but I'm gonna try to get a couple of videos out, probably maybe 2, who knows, I don't know. But I'll see y'all tomorrow. All right, peace.